Frejavin. Here it is a back side. There is a power source. Once it is switched on, this particular unit will be switched on. To test relay, we have to provide auxiliary source of to this relay from the Freja. Here we are having DC voltage. There we can provide auxiliary source to switch on the relay. As per the nameplate, this particular relay is working on 110 volts DC. We have to ensure there is a 110 volts in the DC supply unit. It is a 103. Let's switch off. Let's connect auxiliary source to this relay. Yes, ma'am. The supply voltage 50 to 270. So 110 is 1310 is acceptable. This is auxiliary source. If you switch on, the relay is in on condition. Then this is a differential relay. We have to provide two different current. Transformer differential, primary side and secondary side. So here we are going to connect both neutral. Once the current settings is over, so we have to open the Frejavin from the system. This is Frejavin. We are operating differential current relay, so we are selecting current. So the device is in remote condition. It came at remote mode. That means the unit is controlled by the remote. That means from the systems we are operating. So we have to wait the current. So this means the device is in communication. So here we can enter all the details, make, type and everything. So right now I am going with proceed. Earlier we have done the differential unit with normal electromechanical type with the kit. The difference here and there is there manually we are controlling, providing the current. Here we are making by software, we are giving the injecting the current. So here we have to set what is the starting current and what is the stop current. I have set it for 2 ampere, and here which and all phase we are injecting the current we have to mention. So by clicking this button, so here we are connected to the R and Y phase, L1 and L2, that is nothing but R and Y phase. So here the terminology is RST. Somewhere it is a RYB, UVW, RST. That is nothing but phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Here it is shown line 1, line 2, line 3. So here it is RS. That particular two phase we have to select. And the ramp, the incremental, here I have provided 0.05. I can increase by 0.1 also. Means each step it will increase 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. Here I can mention the speed of the dial. If I mention 4, the speed will be more. So I will go for lesser speed. Okay. Then if I make start, so it is operating. So this is a pickup value. So whatever time it is operated, by entering this one, I can note down the values, the pickup value, how much time it's taken. So I can stop. This is injecting the current and so it is operating too high. So I will increase the set value. 1 second, let me start. When it's pick up, I press this one. So here the particular time is recorded. The meanwhile, so it is just pick up, it is not operated. That means the current what we provided is not suitable for the trip the relay. It is only for pick upping the relay. So let's stop. Let's increase the current. Reset and start. Pick up. We can see the current increasing here. This particular model, the current is increasing. One more options from the general we can select, and it will appear, it will communicate with the device and it will appear the general pop-up. And here the limit is R phase, B phase, C phase. This is the starting point, this is the end point. Right now voltage we are not using, only current two phases we are using. So I kept R phase as 2 ampere and B phase as 2 ampere. Here I made the R phase at 0 degree, Y phase as 180 degree. There is a phase shift between each primary current and secondary current. Here I need to select the increment. Let me select 0.1 current and 5 degree incremental value for the angle. Let's start. Initially the current is increasing, so we can see this is the R phase current This is B phase current. The R phase angle is not increasing, B phase angle is increasing with 5 degree. Once the current is reaches, so it is already due to the magnitude, it is already picked up. So let's stop, reset. Let me reduce the current. So let's start. So at point 6, it's picked. The current is reached 1 ampere. Still the angle is increasing. Still it is in pickup mode. It has to be trip.